Hi guys, welcome to Chairs
and Benches.
I'm Nayoka.
I'm Drayden.
And he's my brother-in-law. So in this video, we'll be comparing Skillinbeg versus Intense for the year of 2020. I did a video like this before with Spice and Shentia, so now at the Monday time. This is my kind of music, so I'm gonna have a real vibe. I want you guys to comment in the comment section down below which artists you think dominated for year 2020. Let me know which side you're on and which song you like the most. So let's jump right into the video.
So for the month, of January, Skillinbeg never dropped no song, so intensely kick it off. So done with the badness, that's all.
Yeah, done with the badness, and he had 1.9 million views. So make we hear it. Alright guys, so Skillinbeg kick off his year in the month of February now with Defy the Odds, racking in 661,000 views. So make we hear it.
Alright, now for the month of February, Intense come out with theme song, and the boss are be consistent with him thing. And then he am no regular boy.
All the views look.
Yeah, 210,000.
Alright,
Kick
let's
it off.
Alright, so for the month of March, Skillinbeg never dropped a song but Intense did. He dropped Dream Life with 2.7 million views.
Wow.
Before you guys come for us though, we are taking this stats from their official YouTube channel. And in this video, we're ranking each video based on the highest viewed video for the month from their official YouTube channel. So that's how we're doing it. So let's go.
Police out this like
Them always out there.
crazy, like a be a light.
I know police.
Oh wow.
I
Stop
don't know
playing.
about that.
Are we all still in police?
With the yellow light? With the yellow light?
No, secret.
Oh.
Are you police on episode?
Some police me the hear when them do so.
Oh.
Alright, so for the month of April, Skillinbeg came out with the song Vacancy, 878,000. Oh man, we there, right?
Alright guys, so for the month of April, Intense drop a bad song too. Won't lie. Yang, racking in 5.7 million views. So let's go.
In the month of May, Skillinbeg came out with a whopping 7.3 million views with Mr. Universe, right?
Yup.
Yeah. And this is for herbalist them. East side roll here.
That one here, that's
That you should have known what you
Take
do.
the
But this
meditation.
song, yeah man, that song have to chill.
Yeah, you
You
gotta
don't feel
chill.
too bad on that song.
But the song bad still, but you have to chill. Alright, so for that same month of May, Intense drop another song called Dry Eye, racking in 8.7 million views. So let's hear it. He got a lot of views. Alright guys, so for the month of June, Intense did drop Through the Gate for 3.9 million views, and Skillinbeg did not have a song in the month of June. So let's go.
Alright guys, so Skillinbeg came out in July with Torpedo. A 4.2 mil?
Yup.
Yeah man.
So in comeback hard. Let's go. Alright guys, Skillinbeg is my artist, but I must say, for the context of this video, most of these songs is like when you're meds by yourself kind of vibe. Like Intense dropped a song called Antisocial with 3.5 million views. So let's hear it. Antisocial, let's go.
Alright guys, so for the month August, Skillinbeg came out with a collaboration with Jada Kingdom, the East Side Queen.
Shake.
You see me? And he came out with 4.9 million views, right?
Yep.
Yeah, man, so kick it off.
Alright, so for August, Intense dropped Wounded with 2.1 million views. So let's go. It's a sad song. Let's hear it.
Alright, guys, so in September, Skillinbeg came out with his 18, you know that go.
How much views? It's a hit.
I have to say 18, you know?
It's a hit.
Yeah, man.
How much views?
1.7 million.
Alright, so for the month of September, Intense dropped Havoc, 2.3 million views. So let's hear it.
Alright, guys. You know, before me say nothing, stick up in. You know, I said then did you have a little subliminal clash, right? You see me? You know, I say, for October, my month, the dog come out, Skillinbeg, come out with something hot.
Hot.
Put them in a them place, man. You see me? Crocodile teeth. You see me?
11 million
No jokes
views.
about that.
I'm not gonna lie, this song knock out everything else out the park. This is the song for the year for me. I don't know about you, but this song is the song. Like,
Yeah, man.
Alright, so for the same month of October, Intense dropped a song. I'm gonna talk long. I'm not sure if it can compete with Skillinbeg, but 1.5 million views, so let's hear it.
Who about them head? Skillinbeg what? Skillinbeg here never come, brother. Never come.
Ever.
Never watch it down, boy, man. Skillinbeg come here enough time. Alright, guys, so for the month of November, Skillinbeg came out with Hot, 1.1 million views. Check it out.
Alright guys, so for the month of November, Intense dropped a song called Name with 1.5 million views. So let's do it.
Alright, guys, so for the last month of the year, Intense came with Light Up, 1 million.
1 million views, that's a lot.
Yeah.
Let's go. So the last song for the year, the month of December, Skillinbeg dropped Not with 4 million views. I love that song, yeah. That song, yeah, bad too. So let's hear it.
Alright, guys, we came to the end of this video.
Yes guys, so if you enjoyed this video, please spam up the comment section down below. Let me know if you guys rate Skillinbeg or if you rate Intense. For me, Intense was the most consistent artist for the year 2020. I don't know how you feel.
Well, Skillinbeg I'm most lyrical right now. You see me?
Yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please share it because that's what we need from you guys. Thanks for Drayden for being here on Chairs and Benches. Hope you guys have a good, see you guys. Hope you guys have a good day.
So like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Oh my God, it does work.
Work?
Yeah, that's amazing.
See, think about it. It's the chip in your head implant. In your head? Yeah. I just got it recently.
And then
Did you hear about it? No.